How's it going, peeps? It's your boy Gray, and today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I made 11% using the Robinhood app and my first day trade of the week. And the goal was 7%, and I hit 11% on my first day trade of the week. We got 2 more day trades, one tomorrow and one on Friday. So let's just cover this real quick. I'm going to jump onto my computer and I'm going to show you guys how I planned this trade. So the trade was AEZS right here. I was looking at this stock because it jumped up pre-market. You see it hit highs of 322 and it started, heading down, but I know, it looked like it showed a lot of potential because it started heading down. It still had a lot of volume, which is something we look for. Low stock, and it was showing potential, and it showed a pattern that's familiar that I know, which is the U-shaped breakout. Remember, I wait for the breakout of the stock. So let's look at it right here, and it was showing a sell-off, and that was a good indicator that I should look at this stock real quick. It had a sell-off, and it started forming that U shape. Now I didn't get in around here because I wanted the confirmation of it breaking this when it started having that sell-off right at 260. So I started having that sell-off around 260. So I wanted to make sure it broke and it held 260. So I was trying to get in around 265 around here, but I didn't get filled into 272. I did a market order because I had slow Wi-Fi, so I had to do it in and out real quick. I was at school, so I got in at 272, and these are 3 huge green candles. I mean, if we look at it from here to here, you're looking at almost 20% up. So I knew that it was gonna have some kind of pullback. So I got in. I could have sold all my shares right there for a about 4% gain, but I knew it offered more. I was looking at the level 2. It's not that I was getting greedy. I was looking at the level 2. It looked healthy, basically how it's looking right now, and everyone was moving their price up. So I waited for the pullback, and I noticed, it broke exactly. I could have broke even right here, right? Showed great signs right here. I was trying to get out at 290 here, but I just couldn't catch it. It wasn't fast enough. It happened real quick, and it had another pullback. Now this is where things got really interesting because those are 2 red candles. I don't like seeing 2 red candles, but as you see on this candle right here, it didn't break that support, and then that was a good indicator that okay, this might start going back up. So I kept holding my shares. I haven't sold anything yet. Remember, I got in at 272, and it started going up. I was up, 4%, 5%. And at this point, I knew, well, I want to get out. The reason why I want to get out is because this is not looking like a good. I don't like when it has that thing up there and it's not breaking it. Now, this stock started around 290, like around here, 286. And I saw potential of hitting 290. At 290, I wanted to get out. It hit 290, and I did a market order. I was trying to get out as fast as possible. And I actually got bid at I actually got filled at 296, giving me a huge gain for the day, and that was a successful breakout. And after this right here, and I saw that it wasn't going, had a huge pullback, another huge 3 red candles, not a good sign, guys, and it broke support. Once it broke that support, it's not a good sign. Now here's another form of the U-shaped breakout I'm going to show you guys. Same stock, a couple minutes later. So there's a little U-shape right about here. If you actually were a little bit too close to look at it. And so let me show you guys. Right after the sell-off, it had a sell-off at the support right here. So this is still considered a U-shape. This is what most people call a flag. I still call it a U-shape. I'm a beginner trader. Sorry about that for you professional traders. But it had a sell-off, and it started bouncing 3 red candles. And right at the sell-off, which was right here, guess what happened? A huge boost back up to 290, right? So you could have still made 8%, which is exactly like, it's still really good. You know what I mean? So play your trade smart. Now don't get in at the breakout. You want that confirmation, guys. Remember, I could have got in at 260, 260, 250. I didn't. I waited for that confirmation, showing signs that it's gonna keep going up. I had a healthy level 2. I had a whole bunch of volume, which meant the price was moving quickly, and I like that. I like getting in and out. I was in and out this trade in about a minute or two. Very quick trade. But I'm gonna show you guys another example on why you should wait for the breakout and not just get in a stock. So real quick, this is another stock that had a huge move pre-market. If we look at it right here, I mean, it went from 40 to 72 or like 73. It's huge. So this is one I added to my watch list for my penny stocks watch list. It's not really a penny stock, but my penny stock watch list is basically stocks that are moving a lot pre-market. And these are my swing trades, which I'm gonna stop swing trading. I'll explain that later. Anyways, this was having a sell-off in the morning as well. I usually give the market, a little bit time to, before I jump in. I don't like jumping in right at the bell. It's not a good thing because you don't know what's gonna happen. You have no pattern history. That being said, I know a lot of people got in at 69 and it started heading straight down after that. That was not a good sign. You need to wait for a pattern. You know what I mean? My computer's about to die. But anyways, see this perfect U shape. This is actually a cup and handle right here. You kind of see like the teacup kind of thing. But guess what? It topped out 3 times. And that's double topping. That's when a stock tries to hit a point and it can't break that wall. So what's the other direction it has to go? It's going to go down because it can't break that wall multiple times, guys. That means the stock is going to start going down. So that's a perfect example of why you should wait for the breakout and wait to see that confirmation of it trending back up. You see, I could have, if I had another day trade, I could have got in around right here, but that would have been really bad because it started trending down after that. Look at that. Huge sell-off after that. And guys, wait for the confirmation. Do you guys a favor. But anyways, I don't want to keep this video long. Just want to show you guys a pattern that I love, which is the U-shaped breakout. I like trading U-shaped breakouts because they're common in penny stocks. They always have a sell-off and they'll have a breakout right at that resistance, which I love, and especially when it hits a new high. This one didn't hit a new high, but it showed that strong resistance it had right there where it had to sell off. And I took my chances, ended up 11% up for the day. I want to give you guys some news. My channel is just going to be on day trading because I'm not too good at swing trading. If you look at the Excel sheet, I showed my wins and losses. I have a lot of losses on swing trades for the year. Not too many. It's not really big losses, but it's just a whole bunch of losses that I don't like seeing. But if you look at my day trades, I have my Excel closed, but my day trades are pretty successful. You know what I mean? So I'm going to continue day trading. The only reason why I was doing both in a week is because I was trying to get as many trades as possible, but that's not working out. I'm losing money swing trading, and I'm making a whole bunch of money day trading. So might as well, I'm gonna stop swing trading and just focus on day trading. If you guys are interested in learning how to swing trade, and the person who taught me how to trade, his name is Ricky. I'm gonna leave his channel down below in the description. It'll be one of the links. It'll say Ricky's channel, and then boom. And he's a really good swing trader. He shows a lot of videos on waiting for confirmation on the 180-day EMA, which I completely agree with him. Really good trader, and I really recommend you guys to watch his videos if you're into swing trading. And anyways, I'm gonna end the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's your boy Gray. If you guys haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, like the video. We're on a 1-day streak. I put it on my door on my whiteboard. We'll see how long we could go on a win streak. Right now is the first day of the week, And well, first day for me, it's a day trade, and successful day, 11%. Let's see what we could do tomorrow. Anyways, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.